Start off with a problem that we are solving with the Agentic AI system. So basically, the problem that we all face as a BS student that we are not consistent with the subjects. So today we will start doing mathematics. Tomorrow it is very hard to come back to that topic again. And mathematics and statistics, and these are some subjects that require consistency and kind of engagement. Basically, if you have a friend to solve these questions with, then you will be able to more come to the concept again. But also, like in mathematics and these complex subjects, you have to clear the prerequisites first so that you can go to the much more complex question. So what we are doing is we are using these LLMs to break down those complex mathematics tasks, statistics tasks to much smaller problems. Then so that you can go and solve that problem. So basically this is a problem that I faced. Basically, like if you want to solve a more complex mathematical task, you can't jump into that. You have to do the for MLF questions, machine learning foundation questions, you have to solve the mathematics 1, mathematics 2, you have to be clear with that. And you can't come back again to those concepts to do that, right? Because it will take again time and again all those things. So what this platform does is it will use LLMs. So basically what you does is you take the screenshot of your question paper, and it will help you to break down the solution, break down the question into smaller pieces. So even you can guys can, yeah, I will type here. So for temporary we have testing, we have named it gamify dot space, so you can check it out. Yeah, so this is kind of an interface here. Basically you got the interface, the problem, the solution is simple. You just take the screenshot of your question and upload it to the platform. For example, here I have mathematics for data science. Now it will extract the question from this screenshot and it will feed to the LLM. Now for here we have used Claude here, and that LLM will take this as input and it will generate the solution for that. Like for example, I'm using, let me take another example. Like let's suppose I'm using statistics and take like this question. Now this question, if you see this, it will be like little complicated. Like if you have not gone through this concept, it is difficult to like answer. Like I have to think what to do. But if I start this question, it has gamified this. Now the agent have written the HTML code for this problem. Now this is simple. Now it tells the rule what you have to do, like sort by ascending before doing anything. So now I have to sort it in the ascending order. So I will do -8, -4, 5, 6, 7. And this was very simple. So this was a level 1. Now again, it is saying me click on the 50th percentile. 50th percentile is the, it also telling me the rule here. That 50th percentile is the, for 5, it is a 3. The center value. So I will click on 0. So it's right. So now I'm in the level 3. What is the 75th percentile? 75th percentile will be the position 7. Now again, it has again broken down into the next level. So it says the 75th percentile is 4. I will add 2 to all. Now it has shifted the all the data points to another, added the 2 to all. Now it is asking me what is the 75th percentile. Now this is my final solution. So now I can clearly see that here it is the 6th. So if I will check this, yeah, so this was a right. So now it was asking me, just I think I just double clicked on it.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah,
It
so
has just broken down your problem statement into subtasks, and then it has made you aware that how you can reach to your final goal.
yeah, so this is the final answer now. Now you can read this and you have some idea like how to solve it. So basically it is asking for the 75th percentile. If we add 4 to all those values, how we'll be able to solve this. So this is just by the one screenshot that you did. So you can try it out yourself as well. So here you can just click on create and sign up here and upload the, I think I won't be able to sign up here. You guys can try it on your device as well. And even on your smartphone, you will see a top icon there,
It's
the profile.
space.
Yeah, gamify dot space. FAI. So yeah, and also like there is a WhatsApp community. So if you have any feedback or something that you want to share, you can share that as well there. Means we will be having, and also we are thinking to have some competitions and participations like that, like where you can come here to solve these questions. So this is like Agent AI system where it uses LLMs to gamify the learning
Oh,
mathematics.
you're using only Claude or multimodal?
Right now it's Claude, but again we are thinking to use a small language model so that it is uh, more cost
So how
saving.
many agents you have?
Right now, it first agent extract the text and questions from that. The second agents write the code, HTML code that you just saw.
Yeah, it
So
will invoke Claude to get that code.
yeah, right. So it will write the code for that to no, second will be the planning, like how the level should look like,
Okay. So
how
total how
each.
many? Five? No.
Yeah, 3 to 4. The extraction, planning, then writing code,
Execution.
execution. Yeah.
Good.
So yeah, so we are currently building out this, and yeah, let's
So
see.
that's what I said.
Hope this is helpful. Like
Yeah, it is. And that's what I said. You speak to each other. You can create a community.
sure,
Yeah, very good.
sure. Yeah. Thanks. Any questions?
Divyanshu always comes with idea. Last time also when I met him, he was building some other software, and then that's how I know him now.
Sure. Any questions around this? Yeah, it can actually solve for all the questions, but some programs like Python have that syntax. So for that, we will have to take on the latex format, basing the formatting, how it represents. That has to be fixed. So right now for mathematics, statistics works fine, but for programming subjects like it will or like electronic science, it have figures. So for some questions that have figures, that we'll have to see and fix. But for these basic questions, it will work fine. Yeah. Sure, sure, sure. Even if you have any suggestion, you can join that community. On the profile section, you will see a link. Yeah, this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you
Just
can give always give your input and
sure, sure. You can try it out. And any bugs or something, you can just post us. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you, ma'am, for the appreciation.
very good.
Thanks.